This is the same footage, but in slow motion. So we can get to see details that we missed because last time it
This
was
is slow motion
speed
inside the
was normal.
church
This is
from last
slow motion.
video.
So we get to
Spirit
see more.
orbs inside the
So I've noticed
church.
stuff I want to
So
share
I noticed the detail. So one played on slow motion. So I want to share with you. So this is very significance because it happens so quickly. Nobody noticed this one. So this is actually where I'm putting my pen. You will see it now. It is in haste and slow motion. You saw it, people? The light went outside the line from the candle. There's no fire is ongoing, so no light source to reflect like that. One more time. You saw it, people? This one. One more time.
and then show it. You see this part? You see this statue? You have all these statues.
So this is
This is like a candle.
this light is
And the part the candle meets with the statue is lit. You see, it's
not
supposed to be
there.
like this.
This is something
like
happens
this,
while
so we play
recording.
it now. We see what will happen.
You will see it now.
You see, it disappears. Becomes like this one. It was not like this before. So let's see if we can do it one more time. This time we're gonna see it happening in slow motion. Because so this is the first detail I noticed when I was watching this video in slow motion. Because this detail you cannot never see it if it's playing in normal speed. So keep your eye here, this region, because it will be lit up